We will be discussing materials and construction, types of finishes, applications, and warranty and maintenance of different types of wheels. Wheels are typically constructed of two types of materials, steel and alloy, aluminum. A forged wheel is manufactured from a billet, or a large square piece of solid metal. The billet is heated to extreme temperatures and pressurized to take its shape. This thermal cycle process causes forged wheels to be stronger than cast wheels due to grain refinement. Consistent forging makes for stronger structural integrity with less material compared to a cast wheel. However, the process costs more, rendering forged wheels the more expensive option. Here, we see the forged wheel process from an aluminum bar to a finished wheel. With flow form, flow forged, or flow hybrid construction, the wheel is cast like any other cast wheel, but goes under more procedures in the manufacturing stage. Once cast, the unfinished wheel is reheated, heat treating. Then the barrel is spun on a machine, at which point a spinning disc makes contact with the barrel at high pressure to form the barrel. This process strengthens the wheel and also allows it to be lighter than a traditional cast wheel and considerably cheaper than a traditional forged wheel. Here, you can see the step-by-step of flow form hybrid wheel construction. Step 1. Heat and coating is applied to the flow forming drum. Cast wheel is mounted on the drum and ready to be formed. Step 2. Pressure is applied to the rim barrel. Specially designed hydraulic rollers are used to stretch the wheel by applying pressure to the rim barrel. Step 3. The wheel's properties are compressed and stretched to achieve the desired width. Step 4. Stretching results in an improved gain structure of the aluminum, which makes for a strong, thinner, and lighter forged-like rim barrel. The final product is more durable on impact and enhances overall vehicle performance. Steel wheels are manufactured in two parts, the hoop, or barrel, and the center section, or disc. The center disc is then sent through a press where its shape, PCD bolt pattern, and hub bore are pressed into the disc. The barrel starts as a round section of metal tubing that is sent through various presses to form the barrel into the typical bead shape. The two parts are then welded together at the required specifications of offset and backspacing. Here are some images to show the construction of steel wheels. Wheels come in a variety of different finishes. These include polished, painted, powder-coated, machine-milled, and chrome. Polished aluminum wheels are polished rather than plated. The polishing process involves sanding the finish of the wheels so that the alloy is completely smooth, and then polishing the finish with a compound to bring out a brilliant shine. These are not recommended for use in winter conditions, as it may damage the finish. To clean a polished aluminum finish, use mild dish soap and water, and then dry with a soft cloth. After cleaning, apply a coat of soft, non-abrasive cream wax or wheel seal. Heavy damage may require use of a polishing compound. Painted wheels. Paint on wheels is an older technology. They are used mostly on steel wheel applications for cars, trailers, and implement applications. Paint applications, when properly done, are pretty resilient. They can be used for winter-approved applications in solid colors, no clear coats over machined, polished surfaces. When cleaning, use mild soap and water and a microfiber or terry cloth. Make sure to clean brake dust off regularly to prevent damage to the finish. Powder coating provides your wheels and rims with better durability. Powder coating is an electrically bonded powder that, when sprayed, sticks to materials via a process called electrostatic attraction. they create a coating that can be baked into the surface via extreme heat. This is often achieved via the use of an oven. This results in an extremely resilient, very chemical resistant painted surface that is far more environmentally friendly than traditional paints. Being a durable finish, many powder-coated, non-clear coated wheels are approved for winter use. When cleaning, use soap and water or a mild, non-acidic wheel cleaner and microfiber or terry cloth. Never use tarnish or rust removal products or bleach. Make sure to clean brake dust off regularly to prevent damage to the finish. For machined, milled wheels, a wheel is spun as a machine gently removes a thin layer from the surface of the wheel using different cutting tools. This exposes a smooth, shiny, and consistent metal surface. After machining, milling, the wheel is usually clear-coated, paint or powder coat. In some cases, the machined surface may be then color-treated, tinted, again to achieve a new look. These wheels are not recommended for winter use, as the clear coat may tarnish or machined surface may pit. Use only mild soap and water or water-based wheel cleaners, not metal polish or any acidic wheel cleaner. Clean brake dust off regularly to prevent damage to the finish. Chrome-plated wheels is the classic look for a shiny wheel. The wheels are coated with several layers of copper, nickel, and chromium for a highly reflective appearance. This provides the brightest, showiest look of all finishes, nearly as reflective as a mirror. This process does add substantial weight over other methods of finishes, as you are adding metal to the surfaces. This finish doesn't need a protective top coat to prevent rust. Chrome wheels can also be treated with translucent paints, tinting, or a variety of color choices. Chrome wheels require regular cleaning with mild soap and water and soft rags. Never an abrasive like steel wool, which will scratch the finish. Winter use is not really recommended as the wheels must be cleaned more frequently, where salt and de-icers are used to prevent problems like pitting and corrosion. All wheels do come with a warranty, although warranties will vary by manufacturer of the wheel. Most manufacturers have a minimum warranty on finish of 1 year, with a manufacturer warranty for workmanship and materials longer than 1 year, structural fatigue, etc.